Today, we're going to build Discovery 1 using 17 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 2x2 dome top and, wait for it, a 2x2 dome bottom, and put those together. And there we've kind of created the front round section of Discovery 1. I know, be impressed. Be very impressed. All right, so now that the front is done, we're going to create that long body. And for the long body, I'm going to grab 3 1x1 round bricks and just put them into the dome bottom. So then we've got the front half of my ship, and in the center you've got that antenna that sticks up in the center. Well, to make that, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate with 1L bar. Now, this is light bluish gray because this is the only color I have, but as of 2024, they started making this piece in white, but I don't have any of the 8 sets it's available in yet. So if you have white, use it. If you don't, just use light bluish gray. It's more common. But I do have a 1x1 tile with clip on top, and I'm going to put that clip onto that 1L bar, and I want to put it as close to the top as possible. That way I can get as much distance and space between the body of Discovery 1 and the top antenna. So just kind of clip it up as high as you can and still keeping it secure. And now I'm going to create the rest of the back with 3 more 1x1 round bricks. And then once my 3 1x1 round bricks are in place, I can create the engine. To create the engine, I'm going to grab a 1x3 brick. And on the center stud of that 1x3 brick, I'm going to get a 1x1 plate and just put it right there on the center stud because I'm going to attach the body to that one stud. And to smooth this out and also make it a little thicker, I'm going to grab 2 1x1 tile pieces and just put those on the left and right of that plate. And we kind of got the rectangular end of Discovery 1, but now we have to have those long kind of engines that go out the back as it propels itself through deep space. And to do that, I'm going to grab 3 cone pieces, 1x1 cone pieces, and just put it in the holes between these anti-studs. I'm going to put one on the side, in the center, and then the back, and then when I've got that done, I can just attach it to the very last round brick, and I've got Discovery 1 from 2001, A Space Odyssey, built in 2025.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.